Hello everyone. Happy Friday. Happy Friday everyone. Happy 19th, May 19th, 2023. I just wanted to go ahead and say I received two little packages. One of them is for sure going to be my worm casting. And the other one is my silver squill. It's so tiny. I think the silver squill is in this box. Yep, live plants. I'm sure the mailman is like, why is she always buying plants? So a few of the places that I like to purchase from, a couple of companies that I like, they're on Etsy. And this one is from SD Succulent Growers. Look at that. They send me a coupon. And they send me carrot tips for the silver squill. Let's go ahead and read these carrot tips for the silver squill, or better known as the Forever Rich plant. We've got carrot tips. Okay, so choose a pot with a drainage hole to avoid wet feet. Succulents don't like to sit in water and moisture. A basic terracotta pot is great to start with. Water thoroughly and let soil dry before watering again. Repeat the cycle, soak, dry, and drain. Drain and dry. And choose a well-lit spot for your succulents. Most varieties need half to full day of sunlight. And then rotate succulents for even growth so they can, stretch and do their thing. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and see what else we got. Receipt. Oh, some dirt. Got some packing peanuts. How's everyone doing? This may turn into a, oh, this does not look good. This does not look good. Oh, this does not look good at all. This is the first time I'm purchasing from them. This is definitely not looking like. I'm almost trying to see if some of the leaves just fell in here. Nope. This is, what the heck? Oh, this wasn't very well packaged. So some of the soil fell out of this and ended up in the box. Sorry, this is a live or, unedited. You see all the soils in there. I disinfect my table. Yeah, that's disappointing. It's very disappointing. Never received anything. You've all seen my unboxings, and any new plants I've probably purchased from stores that I've actually purchased in person. Okay, so it's got a little root ball. We can save this, definitely savable. It's got a root system at the bottom and a root ball. You see? Can you see that? But this is the silver squill. I thought it would be a lot bigger. And this is a succulent, as we mentioned before, but look at that. It does not look healthy. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and pot this in a new guy. So I bought these little individual pots for seeds that I have. Excuse my belly. I don't look that big right now. Yes, I'm currently pregnant. Okay. So we've got these 4-inch pots and it's kind of like mini things. I'm gonna go ahead and just seed a couple of things I have, especially rue. I'm gonna go ahead and try again. I've got a couple out in the front, but I'm gonna try again with those and possibly get those on a giveaway here or start selling. Anyway, this is gonna go in here with some 50, I'll do a 50. Let's go ahead and unbox this also. We'll do a 50, so regular soil, 50%, and then I'm gonna do, I like doing the worm casting at the bottom, so it's just closer to the root and gets all the nutrients. That's disappointing, but you know, we live and we learn. So maybe it is better to send your plants and ship them with all that synthetic fiber and Ziplocked and all of that nonsense. And it actually works out. All right. How are you guys doing today? How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. All right, so this is a new company that I'm doing. I usually do like the Toms or it's in a green bag. As far as the worm casting goes, but this is a new one. It's called Cousins Compost. So this is compost and worm casting. Okay, so I will not use that for my seedlings. I need pure worm casting, but is this just compost? Oh, it's a mixture. It seems like it's a mixture of both, but I like pure worm casting, so that's not what it said when I purchased it. So it's just coming up kind of, you know, kind of a bust today, guys. I read it and it said it was going to be full worm castings. Excuse me. But it is not. It does, no, it does say. It's called, the company's called Royal Cousins Compost. All natural worm bedding. I'm gonna go ahead and composting supplies, composting worms, worm bedding, worm bins, worm castings, compost bins. All right, well, you know what? Let's go ahead and end this video on a better note. You guys want to take a look? Look at this. Look at this nice rue. It's growing. So again, I did my 50-50 mix and it's grown. This is about, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably about a year. So I'm just trying again. Okay, I really love these little root plants. They're so, you can make a lot of good for your lungs, to clear your lungs. It's very good for you. Okay, so I've got my little PSS in a nice little pot. It's called Flowers and Garden. So I went ahead and put a little bit of fish emulsion with a little dropper. So we have a little bit to do, guys. We have a little bit to do. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. I'm not sure if I'm going to post this or not. If you do, what are your thoughts? I don't know. I'm not going to send it back. I'm not sending this back. But what would you guys do? Give them another chance, message the seller, probably give them tips on that. And maybe wrapping a little bit better. I'm all about spreading some knowledge, you know. I want to let them know maybe how it came. That's quite a bit of dirt in here. There's quite a bit of dirt in here, so that's too bad. It really didn't do well. Okay. And shippers, if you're having problems with shipping supplies, don't ship it all. Don't ship it all because it took you how long to grow whatever plant that you have. And you don't want to hurt it. You do not want to hurt it. And you're just ending up selling something that isn't going to be pleasing to anyone. because then you're gonna have to hear about it if you do hear about it. So just take your time with things. Just message the person, message the buyer, say, you know what, I don't have the supply, or whatever it is. Hey, your product is gonna be just a little bit longer, but we'll let you know as soon as it's out. So I don't know. What would you guys do? That's just my opinion. So yeah, my little silver squill, succulent with a little bulb and roots. It's got 2 other little bulbs in there. You see that? 1, 2. All right. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. Sorry, this one was a little bit of a bust, but you know, things happen. Happy Friday. Have a great and wonderful weekend. Stay blessed and happy planting to you all. Take care. Hands are dirty. Bye.